Hey, what's up? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you 3 different ways how you can make money online every day. Okay, so before we get on with the video and I teach you exactly how you're going to be making $100 every single day using these 3 methods, it is absolutely crucial that you smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a video. Now, make sure you watch the entire video from start to finish so you don't miss out on any information. I'm also going to be announcing a giveaway and I'm going to be telling you all the details on how to enter. Please go smash that like button, it really does help support the channel. Okay, all 3 of the methods that I'm going to be teaching you require this app. The app is called Fetch Rewards. It's completely free. I'll leave a link in the description where you can download it. When you sign up, make sure to use my code in the description so you get a $2 bonus. You get this bonus when you scan your first receipt. If you don't know what Fetch Rewards is, they give cash back on all the receipts that you scan. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you the first way or method that you're going to use to make you money every day. The first method is very simple. When you open the app, you click on the bottom right corner, which should take you here. This is your referral code and it shows how much you make per referral. So the first way we're making money with this app is by referring people. You can refer your friends and family just by texting them a link. The more people you text, the more money you'll make. You also want to explain to them what the app does and tell them that they also get money. This method is very good because you can send your link to many people very fast. You should send about 50 messages a day and you can make $50 to $100 a day. That was just method number 1, so make sure you watch till the end because there's 2 more methods. If you're enjoying this video, please smash the like button. It would really help me out and I would really appreciate it. For this method, go to the White House on Instagram. Click on one of the recent posts and start following all these people. Just finished following a bunch of people and as you can see, I have some notifications. You're going to want to click on the account and go to their profile. This next step can only be done on your phone. Once you're on their profile, you're going to want to DM them the same message that you sent to your friends and family. So just like you sent 50 messages a day for the first method, you're also going to want to send 50 messages for this method. The reason I like this method is because there's no limit on how many people you can reach. Before I show you the last way how you can make money online, make sure that you comment something that you liked or disliked about this video. If you're ready for the last way to make money online, like this video and we'll get right into it. Okay, so the final way we're going to be making money online is on YouTube. You're not going to be needing any subscribers, so don't click off just yet. I'm going to show you how you can get your video to go viral without having any subscribers. Right here, we're looking at other videos on the topic of how to make money online. If you take a look at how many views they're getting, you'll see that they all have thousands of views. You'll notice they all have a few things in common. They have eye-catching thumbnails and great titles. So in order for you to succeed in your video, you're going to have these 2 things: a good title and a good thumbnail. It's important that in this video you tell your audience to use your code and scan a receipt on Fetch Rewards. This way you'll make money from the video. Comment down below what you'd like to see next. At 300 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss that video. If you're new here, I respond to anyone who comments within the first 24 hours of my video, so make sure you hit the bell icon. If you subscribe, you can expect me to upload 1 to 2 times a week. Make sure you check out my very in-depth video on how to make money on social media in 2020. I'll put the video on one of the sides here so you can see it. All the way in the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see a little tiny box. You can click that to subscribe to my channel. Or you can click the big circle right in the middle of your screen. Either way is fine. Make sure you smash the like button and I'll see you next time.